At ngayong umaga kasama natin ang isang grupo na tumutulong sa kanila, ang Goodwill Philippines. Kasama natin si Ms. Helen Flores, ang officer in charge, at si Sir Sergio Aquino, ang board member and director of Waste Committee ng Goodwill Philippines. Good morning.
Good morning po! And of course, umpisa naman po natin, Goodwill International, Goodwill Philippines. Ano po ang ginagawa nito at layunin?
Ang Goodwill International, affiliated lang kami doon. Kumbaga sa anong mother organization yon. So, we are one of the 33 affiliates nationwide. So, we are known as Goodwill Industries of the Philippines, Incorporated. And we are working on our own, helping physically disadvantaged persons with disability, through training, skill empowerment. Free lahat yan.
Okay, so do you help people with all kinds of disabilities po?
Yes, that's right. Even the blind.
Okay, so nabanggit ni Ms. Helen, yung nagtitrain sila ng mga skills, binibigyan nila ng trabaho yung mga PWDs. So sir, would you like to explain kung ano-anong klaseng mga training po yung mga ibinibigay po natin sa kanila?
Well, Goodwill is not only helping the people with disabilities, also people who are handicapped. When we say handicapped, they're not able to even finish elementary. So because of that, this disability of their did not graduate any high school or elementary, they are not able to find a job.
Yes.
So what we do now is to help them, train them to improve their skills, being carpenters, radio technicians or TV technicians, and even we can do what to teach them how to go do massage and all these things. And sewing for the women, sewing. So with that, once they are able to finish and learn a skill, they can go on their own. They are not now dependent on government or for their family. They are able to help themselves.
How long do these trainings usually last?
Usually, it takes them about a few, especially carpentry, what the specialized thing like television, it will take about a month.
Sir, alam naman natin we need a budget para po makapag-train po para sa mga PWDs na to. How do we operate, sir?
Well, we operate through membership. People to help us by being member, lifetime member, corporate member. But also, we also accept donations of clothing, furnitures, and even appliances. They become our raw materials for our work, or we sell them, and then the profit is the one we pay for the trainer.
Actually, Carla, nakapag-kwentuhan kami ni Sir kanina, nabanggit niya sa akin, kapag may mga old stuff kayo na sira na, pwede nilang i-repair, and kung meron ka rin mga gustong i-donate, out of it, makakapag-recycle sila ng into something na bago para maibenta nila dun sa mga tao. And proceeds, of course, sa kanila din mapupunta to help them as well.
Yes,
Sir, saan po ba yung mga branches or do you have any store po?
Right now, ang store lang na sa main office namin, which is in Taguig. It's a little bit far place to get more customers. So we are asking if there's somebody who have a small place who can give it, lend it to us so we can have a better sales of our products.
Yes. But, sir, so meron kayong plans to open new stores as well?
Yes, we have. That's my objective is to get a place here in Quezon City wherein we make good bags. Pero wala kaming showroom to sell them. And people ask us, paano kami bibili? Pag sinabi kong it's there in Taguig, they are not interested to go there.
Hindi kasi accessible eh.
Yes. But of course, kung magdo-donate rin tayo, isang paalala lang, dapat yung usable pa rin. Huwag yung hindi na magagamit. Siyempre, hindi mahihirapan rin sila, sir, para maayos ito.
Yun yung isang problema sa atin ngayon. When I was asked by Goodwill Industry of America to visit their place, the place is like Schumann. All they said that very nice things. But in the Philippines, when they donate nila yung Amerikana hindi na moda, yung mga gown ng pang ano na hindi na may susuot. And we have no way to use them. Although what we do, kung po pwede, ginugupit namin, we make basahan.
So, sir, usually, ano-ano po ba yung mga trabaho po o yung mga livelihood programs ang nakalaan po para doon sa mga PWDs? Yung pinaka mainly lagi pong nagagamit or lagi pong naititrain sa kanila?
Right now, yung nagagawa kami, making about 30 to 50 basahan every day. Yun ang main na ginagawa namin. And then we put up a little store where we sell siopaw. Because marami kaming employee yung nasa paligid namin. So yung mga disabled, nagbebenta sila ng siopaw.
So Carla, nakita naman natin na talagang napakaganda yung programa at projects ng Goodwill dahil alam mo naman yung mga kapatid nating PWDs, for them hindi hadlang yung karamdaman nila or yung sitwasyon nila para masuportahan yung mga sarili nila. So yung mga projects ito napakaganda kasi this is also to support themselves, to give them a better future and life as well.
So,
And-
ma'am, meron po ba kayong mga success stories na share sa
Yes.
amin?
Yung isa naming trainee noon, ngayon ano na siya, nanalo siya sa painting contest. Ano siya, a profound deaf. Talagang ano siya. Ngayon, siya na ngayon ang layout artist namin, payroll officer, and computer technician. Parang all-in-one ba na ganun. Yun ang ano. So, yung isa naman, nakapagtapos ng training ng basic reflexology, from time to time daw, tinatawagan na siya ng mga empleyado sa Taguig City Hall, pamasahe sa kanya. Yung tuwan-tuwa siya kasi napapamerienda daw niya yung mga kasama niya, nakakabili pa siya ng iba pang mga gamit niya sa family.
Well, kaya naman Carla, we encourage everyone na sana mag-donate sila yung mga hindi na nila ginagamit para naman makatulong tayo dun sa mga kapatid nating mga PWD. So, sir, saan po ba sila pwede po mag-donate or saan po nila kayo maaring ma-reach or do you have any website po?
Please call up Joey Hobilia at 837-3094. Tapos, sasabihin lang po ninyo kung yung pangalan nyo, address, at kung ano po yung i-donating nyo at i-schedule ang pick-up.
At para naman sa mga nanonood na gusto rin mag-take part sa inyong mga seminars, yun na rin po ba yung i-contact nila na number?
Same. The same din si Joey rin ang contact number namin.
So, of course, sir, do you have any last message po? to
Well,
our
last
viewers?
message, I'll be asking my friends, my relatives, my classmates to donate to Goodwill. And this is a very nice, in fact, my birthday is about this month.
Happy birthday!
And all the proceeds, instead of giving me gifts, they donate to Goodwill.
Kayo po, you have any last po?
Yeah, we would like to invite possible volunteers, retirees, students, government employees who may have a part of their time to share their skills and knowledge.
Okay, thank you so much. And sir, of course, advance happy birthday at congratulations. And dahil ulirang award rin po pala kayo. So congratulations po.
Congratulations!